Yeah, okay. One of the locks from the box. This is an Assa. I've seen some better days, I think. Just picked this and was quite a surprise. So I just zipped it and raked it, and there we go. So there are no security pins in this one anyway. How about trying to open this one up? What do we need? Some tools for me. Nope. There we go. Okay. Come on. Gonna break it. There we go. Oh. Well, that's crappy. Hope you can see this. No, I'm gonna need some pliers. No. Much better. All right. Okay, we've got some. Ah, hell. Let's do it the easy way. It's gonna turn out to be the hard way. It's not coming out. Whoops. Alright. That's the 7 one. Number 1. And the wafer. Second. And the wafer. Third. And wafer. Four. Five. And 6. And a wafer. That's wonderful. So we have a 7-pin. These are all standards in the upper with some wafers in 1, 2, 3, and 6. Whoa. Alright. Standard with 2 wafers. Standard. Standard. Standard with wafers. Okay. It's gonna be ugly. I don't have a proper pinning tray, so you have to bear with me here. Alright. 7, a stack of 7 and all standards in the upper and in the cylinder itself. Combination of standard pins and some wafers. Alright. Not very exciting, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Yeah, alright. I opened one more of these Assas from the box of locks I got yesterday. So it's the same story here. So we have seven pins, all standards, with about 600 wafers. Nothing exciting. Steel pins on the bottom and brass on top, and these springs, they actually look new. Stainless steel springs, they look brand new, so that's good. I bet most of the other locks in the box will be about the same, if not identical, but we will have to see, I think. So alright, thanks.